Well, it's asparagus season, and our friend Chef D, back in our kitchen, cooking with this tasty veggie. He wants me to eat it raw, and I don't want to. I think it'll be gross.
Try it, just try it. How good is that?
Okay.
Right?
Totally not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay, it's asparagus season. What are we making? It smells so good in here.
We're going to make an asparagus and broccoli and cauliflower gratin.
No, I don't like it.
Okay.
Okay, the gratin.
One down, one to go. Anyway, so gratin. This is just a simple recipe. I'm not following a recipe to T by any stretch of imagination.
Do you ever though? Like
never,
it's part of the creative process, right?
Never. So I have my milk on. Use a little bit of Guernsey milk from our good friends at Eby Manor. We've warmed it up. I put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in.
Okay.
If you don't want to use milk, you could use coconut milk. You know, and if you have lactose, or even almond milk, wherever you want to go with that, right? I have my little Dutch oven here.
Okay.
So we're going to get started with taking in some of our broccoli and cauliflower. Okay. And then I have some cut up asparagus here.
You even use the ends, eh?
100%. Use that everything, and especially now because it's so fresh.
Don't put it in the one that I bit.
I know, especially because it's so fresh. Like it's just coming from the farm. This is from Barry's Asparagus. About 3 years ago, Tim came out to the farm, and we actually went and shot out there, and it was actually fantastic. So anyway, so we have that in. It's just away we go. Now there's some cheese right here. Do you want to add in a little bit of we had old Bothwell old, and we have a little bit of smoked Gouda.
Okay, when you say add in a little bit,
you can add as much as you want. And then I've just sauteed off some onions and garlic and butter in here just to get the whole fragrance going in the studio.
And like you're just putting bacon on the stove just to make us all mouth water, be like starving.
That's right. And speaking of bacon, we're going to add a little bit of bacon to this because bacon and vegetables go really well.
Again, when you say a little bit, like thank you. I want the whole thing, please, Chef D.
Okay, so then we're going to turn this off. Okay. Well, okay, so this is, again, just sauteed it off just so they're almost translucent, and it just smells amazing.
It really does. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so good.
So I'm just going to quickly stir this.
Yeah, best if you do it. I'll probably burn myself. It's so easy.
It is, and this is what's so great. You have a Dutch oven, put it in. Then we've taken, and you can just start seeing that this is starting to thicken up nicely now.
Yep.
We're going to pour that in.
And so that's because of the cornstarch.
Exactly.
What if you use flour? Could you use flour?
You could use flour too. I just use cornstarch again.
So
100%.
Yeah, I get it.
Right?
I find sometimes when I use flour, things get a little clumpier.
Yes, they do.
Yeah.
So then, see, this is just going to melt nicely. Now, so we're going to take some breadcrumbs. And then, so the Nutty Neighbors from Smithville, it's a hazelnut farm, right?
Yes.
They see us on CHCH Morning Live a whole bunch of times. So they sent some hazelnuts.
I love that.
So we ground up some hazelnuts. So we're gonna put some hazelnuts in.
Okay. Breadcrumbs?
Yeah, breadcrumbs, please.
How much?
As much as you want, or as little as you want.
Okay.
And then I have some of those. This is like the indulgence. Is the breaded?
Oh, they're breaded onions?
Yes, they are. Right.
I knew that just by looking at them.
So then, 350 degrees for 30 minutes, and with the magic of TV and CH Morning Live.
I love the magic of TV. It's the best.
Right.
Ta-da! It's done.
Right, and look at using my green pot, asparagus.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh, the smell. I can't get over it right now.
Okay, so while we're going to let that cool down, I'm just going to take one little spoon out, and then you're going to let it cool down.
We got 1 minute.
Okay, so there's this piece of asparagus now. It's really hot.
I know. I'm going to burn my mouth off.
Yes.
I'm blowing it. Keep talking for me for 30 seconds.
Okay, so then we have some spinach out here. We're going to take some raw asparagus.
Okay.
Put the raw asparagus on our salad here.
Oh, and we're supposed to eat. But see, it won't be raw if you add it with that. It won't taste the same.
Okay, so then I've roasted off some grape tomatoes, right?
Okay.
And this is just in a little bit of shallot vinaigrette, or you could use some olive oil.
Okay, we got 30 seconds.
Okay, and then toasted hazelnut. So taking the hazelnut, toasting it, takes a little bit of the starchiness away from it.
Oh my gosh.
And put those in.
And then we're going to put that on top of that?
No, this is just two separate dishes. Oh. You can have green and green. Try that. Try it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that was ridiculously good.
Right?
All right.
Okay.
The recipe is going to be up on our website.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
It's so fun having you here. Okay. I'm going to steal the segments from Tim every time now.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Lots more coming up on Morning Live. Don't go anywhere. Again, all the recipe details on chch.com.